the incredible healing of aloe vera, from healthy skin to internal health. Did you know that aloe vera, in addition to treating your skin, can transform your health from the inside out? Discover how this powerful plant can be your daily ally for a healthier life. Aloe vera has been used for thousands of years for its medicinal and beauty properties. From the ancient Egyptians to modern times, this plant has always been valued as a true healing elixir. Benefits for the skin. One of the best-known uses of aloe vera is on the skin. It deeply moisturizes, fights acne, soothes burns, and promotes the rapid healing of cuts and scrapes. Benefits for internal health, but the benefits of aloe vera go far beyond the skin. When consumed, it aids digestion, strengthens the immune system, and acts as a powerful natural anti-inflammatory. How to consume aloe vera safely. 3 to 4 minutes. To consume aloe vera, you can prepare a natural juice with the plant's gel. But be careful. Always remove the peel and consult your doctor, as some parts of the plant can be toxic. Testimonials and benefits reported by users. Many people report improvements in digestion, relief from joint pain, and more radiant skin with regular use of aloe vera. Although aloe vera offers many benefits, it is important to know that it is not suitable for everyone. Excessive consumption can cause side effects, such as gastrointestinal discomfort. Pregnant women and people with intestinal problems should avoid using it without medical advice. Now that you know the power of aloe vera, how about including it in your routine? Comment below if you have tried it, share this video, and subscribe to the channel to more health and wellness tips.